on. Come on. She loves to go check out her brother's room. It's hard to resist Mommy squatting down at the end of the hall. Maybe she wants to bring something with her. Daddy and brother are still asleep in bed, but she don't seem to care. Oh, the light's not on your face. Alright, you want to keep following Mommy? Come on. Let's get out of there. They're trying to sleep. Come on. Hey there, princess. Standing up. Alright, that was fun. Alright.